Welcome to another cultural journey. Today, we take you deep into the heart of Ekiti State, a land known for its mountains, rich traditions, and powerful royal heritage. From Ado to Omuo, Ikere to Oton, Ekiti is home to some of the most respected monarchs in Yorubaland. Alawe of Ilawe-Ekiti. Oba Ajibade-Alabi, a respected first-class monarch. The Alawe is deeply involved in preserving the customs and cultural identity of Ilawe, strengthening unity among indigenes, and promoting development within the town. Next is the Ogoga of Ikere-Ekiti. Oba Odejimi Adu-Alagbedo. Ikere is known for its artistic heritage, including the famous Olosanta Hills. The Ogoga is highly respected and plays a vital role in uniting the two major cultural groups in Ikere, Olosanta and Oro worship traditions. The Ogoga of Ikere-Ekiti is the traditional ruler and paramount monarch of Ikere, one of the oldest and most culturally influential towns in Ekiti State, Nigeria. He ascended the throne on August 21, 2015, becoming the 33rd Ogoga of Ikere-Ekiti. Oba Ado-Alagbedo is a first-class monarch, respected both within and outside Ekiti State for his leadership, diplomacy, and modern approach to traditional rulership. The Ewi of Ado-Ekiti is the paramount ruler and traditional head of Ado-Ekiti, the capital city of Ekiti State. The Ewi throne is one of the oldest and most respected royal institutions in Yorubaland. He ascended the throne on November 1, 1990, and has reigned for over 3 decades. He is the 11th Ewi from the Alade dynasty and the 33rd Ewi of Ado-Ekiti overall. Oba Adejog is a first-class monarch, deeply respected for his wisdom, diplomacy, and contributions to peace and cultural preservation in Ekiti. The Oloye of Efon-Alaaye is the paramount ruler and traditional head of Efon-Alaaye, one of the ancient kingdoms in Ekiti State. The throne is among the most respected royal institutions in Yorubaland, known for deep cultural roots and historical importance. Efon is famous for its beautiful natural environment, surrounded by towering hills and valleys. Known for cool weather and scenic nature, rich with traditional shrines, streams, and historical sites. Modern contributions of Oba Alaje. Under the current Alaye's leadership, the town has seen growth in community development projects, youth empowerment, cultural preservation, inter-community peace building, promotion of Ekiti cultural heritage. The Alara of Aramoko-Ekiti is the paramount traditional ruler of Aramoko, an ancient town located in Ekiti West local government area of Ekiti State. The Alara throne is one of the respected royal institutions in Ekiti. Known for its deep historical roots and strong cultural identity. He is a first-class monarch known for his wisdom, humility, and dedication to the development of Aramoko. He is deeply involved in preserving culture and promoting unity among the people. Aramoko was founded by a prince from Ife, the cradle of the Yoruba people. The founder was believed to be among the early descendants of Odujuwa who migrated to establish new settlements. The name Aramoko is often connected with the early settlers and spiritual traditions of the community. Aramoko is one of the oldest historical towns in Ekiti, with a strong reputation for peace and cultural preservation. The Olosi of Osi-Ekiti is the paramount traditional ruler of Osi, one of the most historic towns in Ekiti State. The Olosi's throne is highly respected in the Ekiti North Senatorial District, especially within the Ekiti cultural axis. Osi-Ekiti was founded by a royal descendant from Ife, the cradle of Yoruba civilization. The town played an important role in the expansion of the Moba kingdom. The Olosi stool is centuries old and passed through several dynasties. Osi-Ekiti is known for cool climate, farmlands producing yam, cassava, maize, cocoa, and kola, strong artisan and trading communities, friendly, hardworking people. Okemesi-Ekiti, located in the western part of Ekiti State, is one of the most historically significant towns in Yorubaland. At the center of its identity is the royal throne of the Owa of Okemesi, a respected monarch whose lineage and leadership date back several centuries. In this narration, we explore the history, culture, and importance of the Owa stool. The town continues to grow as a cultural hub and a peaceful, developing community. With improved infrastructure, a vibrant youth population, and ongoing cultural tourism, Okemesi remains an important center of Ekiti heritage. The Owa continues to play a key role in balancing modern development with the preservation of tradition. Oye-Ekiti. One of the historic and culturally rich towns in Ekiti State, is guided by a royal institution that has existed for centuries. At the heart of this institution is the Oloye of Oye-Ekiti, the traditional ruler whose leadership symbolizes the unity, identity, and heritage of the Oye people. This narration takes you through the history, culture, and significance of the Oloye throne. The Oloye of Oye-Ekiti is one of the ancient royal thrones in Ekiti. Or was founded by early Yoruba settlers whose lineage is connected to the widespread migrations from Ife, the ancestral home of the Yoruba people. The Oloye stool is hereditary, rotating among recognized ruling houses that trace their origins to the first settlers. The Oloye is regarded as the custodian of Oye's traditions, the protector of the community's heritage, the symbol of royal authority in the land. Isan-Ekiti, one of the oldest and culturally respected towns in Ekiti State, is guided by a rich royal tradition anchored by the throne of the Onisan of Isan-Ekiti. Isan-Ekiti traces its origins to ancient Yoruba migrations. Oral history links the town's founding to early settlers from Ife, the cradle of the Yoruba people. The Onisan is descended from the earliest royal families that shaped the identity of Isan. The stool of the Onisan is hereditary and traditionally rotates within recognized ruling houses. The Onisan is respected as the custodian of Isan's history, the protector of customs and values, the symbol of unity and authority. The Onisan of Isan-Ekiti is more than a traditional ruler, he is the guardian of heritage, a promoter of unity, and a symbol of the resilient spirit of the Isan people. Through traditional authority, modern leadership, and dedication to community growth, the Onisan keeps the legacy of Isan-Ekiti vibrant and alive. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed learning about our rich culture and traditional heritage, Please like this video, drop a comment, and share it with others who appreciate history. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos on kings, festivals, traditions, and African culture. Your support helps this channel grow and keeps our heritage alive.